So now begin with the first kingdom, that is kingdom Monera. It includes unicellular prokaryotic organism, and bacteria are the best example of Monera. So bacteria are considered as the sole member of kingdom Monera. Bacteria existed in the variety of habitat. Habitat means place of living. Everywhere bacteria are found. Air, water, soil. Handful soil अगर आप लेते हैं तो उसमें hundreds of different type के बैक्टीरिया पाए जाएंगे. सो बैक्टीरिया की हैबिटेट यूबिक्यूटस हैबिटेट है, अबंडेंट हैबिटेट. हर जगह पर बैक्टीरिया एवरीवेयर रहना पसंद करेंगे. मोस्ट एक्सट्रीम हैबिटेट आर स्नो. बैक्टीरिया कैन आल्सो लाइव इन डिजर्ट. बैक्टीरिया हॉट स्प्रिंग में भी रहते हैं जहां का टेम्परेचर बहुत ज्यादा होता है, अबाउट 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस. बैक्टीरिया कैन आल्सो लाइव डीप इन ओशियन. समंदर की गहराई में जहां पर दूसरे कोई ऑर्गेनिज्म नहीं रह पाएंगे वहां पर बैक्टीरिया सरवाइव कर सकते हैं. बैक्टीरिया किसी लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म के बॉडी में भी रहते हैं, उन्हें पैरासाइटिक बैक्टीरिया कहा जाएगा. कुछ बैक्टीरिया ह्यूमन बींग्स के लिए हमारे लिए यूजफुल हैं और कुछ बैक्टीरिया हमारे लिए हार्मफुल हैं. जो बैक्टीरिया ह्यूमन के लिए हार्मफुल हैं, डिसीज कॉज करते हैं, उन्हें पैथोजन कहा जाता है. आगे बढ़े तो ये बैक्टीरिया की डिफरेंट हैबिटेट हो गई. ओनली सम स्मॉल अमाउंट ऑफ बैक्टीरिया, सिर्फ कुछ बैक्टीरिया ऐसे हैं जो अपना फूड खुद प्रिपेयर करते हैं किसी दूसरे ऑर्गेनिज्म पर डिपेंड रहे बगैर, एंड दे आर कॉल्ड एज ऑटोट्रॉफिक बैक्टीरिया. ऑटोट्रॉफिक आर ऑफ टू टाइप्स. सम बैक्टीरिया प्रिपेयर देयर ओन फूड मटेरियल इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ सनलाइट. दे आर कॉल्ड एज photosynthetic bacteria, and some bacteria prepare their own food material by taking inorganic substrate, and these inorganic substrate are being converted into the organic matter. So these bacteria which prepare their food by using inorganic substrate are known as chemosynthetic autotrophic bacteria. And the vast majority of the bacteria, means most of the bacteria, are heterotrophic in nature. They can't prepare their own food material. These heterotrophic bacteria are dependent on another organism for their food material, or they are dependent on dead organic matter. If the heterotrophic bacteria obtain their nutrition from the body of another organism, then these heterotrophic bacteria are known as parasite. Whereas the bacteria who obtain their food material from dead body or dead organic matter, they are known as saprophyte or saprophytic bacteria. These saprophytic bacteria are actually decomposer, क्योंकि ये बॉडी में से कॉम्प्लेक्स ऑर्गेनिक मैटर का डिग्रेडेशन करते हैं. जैसे कार्बोहाइड्रेट है C6H12O6, एक बैक्टीरिया कार्बन अलग कर देगा, दूसरा हाइड्रोजन, तीसरा ऑक्सीजन. इट इज कॉल्ड एज डिकम्पोजिशन और डिग्रेडेशन. सो दीज आर द मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन इन बैक्टीरिया. नाउ किंगडम मोनेरा आर अगेन क्लासिफाइड इनटू टू ग्रुप्स. द फर्स्ट ग्रुप इन द किंगडम मोनेरा is Archaebacteria. Archaebacteria are also called as pseudobacteria. ये सही मायनों में बैक्टीरिया नहीं होते हैं, इनको pseudo नाम दिया गया, pseudobacteria, and they are very special in their habitat. Some of the Archaebacteria are live. Habitat means place of living. Some of the Archaebacteria are live in extreme salty region, जहां पे बहुत ज्यादा salt है. That bacteria are known as halophiles, because halo means salt. Halophilus bacteria are living in the extreme salty region. Some of the bacteria are living in the hot spring. Hot spring means volcano type liquid, जहां का टेम्परेचर बहुत ज्यादा है 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस तक, वहां भी बैक्टीरिया रह सकते हैं. ऐसे बैक्टीरिया जो हॉट स्प्रिंग में सरवाइव करेंगे उनको नाम दिया जाएगा थर्मो एसिडोफाइल. थर्मो एसिडोफाइल्स. And some of the bacteria are live in marshy places. अगर आर्की बैक्टीरिया मार्शी प्लेसेस पर रहते हैं तो उनको नाम दिया जाएगा मिथेनोजिन्स. And these methanogens bacteria are also found in the rumen of cattles, means intestine of the cattles, especially intestine of cow and intestine of buffaloes. So these bacteria during the time of defecation of cow and buffalo comes out through the dung, and this dung, which is rich in methanogenic bacteria, is used to produce the biogas, and biogas is a rich source of methane gas. मीथेन गैस सबसे ज्यादा क्वांटिटी में होती है बायोगैस के, तो बायोगैस इज ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम द मिथेनोजेनिक बैक्टीरिया. ओके. Archaebacteria are also famous for their cell wall. The cell wall in Archaebacteria is very different than the cell wall of another bacteria. In case of Archaebacteria, the cell wall is made up of polysaccharide and may be supported by a small amount of protein, lipid or some another component, but peptidoglycan is never present in the cell wall of Archaebacteria because peptidoglycan is a composition of cell wall in eubacteria. It is a difference between Archaea and eubacteria. So this is all about the Archaebacteria. Now the second group in the kingdom Monera is known as eubacteria. As the term eu represent true, means they are the perfect bacteria. Eubacteria are also called as true bacteria. They are obviously unicellular because belongs to the kingdom Monera, and many more cells are aggregate to form colony, so they may be unicellular colonial. Many more cells can arrange in a linear fashion, so they may be unicellular but filamentous in nature. Second important thing is eubacteria can survive. Habitat means place of living. Eubacteria may live in fresh water. Eubacteria may survive in marine water, or they can also found in the terrestrial habitat. मतलब सॉइल पर भी रह सकते हैं. तो वाइड वेराइटी ऑफ रेंजेस हैं यूबैक्टीरिया में. सम ऑफ द यूबैक्टीरिया आर photosynthetically autotrophic because they perform photosynthesis. Example, nostoc and Anabaena. These are also called as blue-green algae. So nostoc and Anabaena are arranged in a linear fashion. Some important cells are called heterocyst because they contain nitrogenase enzyme. So nostoc and Anabaena also fix the nitrogen provided to the leguminous plant and any other plant in the soil. All the cells are covered by mucilage sheet. So this sheet which cover the cells of nostoc or Anabaena is known as mucilage. So mucilaginous sheet is also called as gelatinaceous seed. Mucilaginous or gelatinous or gelatinaceous seed is also the name. Now photosynthetic cyanobacteria play important role in the release of oxygen by splitting of water. Some of the eubacteria perform chemosynthesis. They are chemosynthetic in nature. जो यू बैक्टीरिया कीमोसिंथेसिस परफॉर्म करेंगे वो नाइट्राइट और अमोनियम आयन का ऑक्सीडेशन करेंगे. कीमोसिंथेटिक बैक्टीरिया ऑक्सीडाइज नाइट्रेट मीन्स NO3, नाइट्राइट मीन्स NO2 एंड ऑक्सीडेशन ऑफ अमोनियम आयन. इन सबस्ट्रेट का ऑक्सीडेशन जब होगा तो एनर्जी रिलीज होगी और कीमोसिंथेटिक बैक्टीरिया इस एनर्जी की मदद से अपनी एनर्जी करेंसी मतलब एटीपी प्रोड्यूस करने में सक्सेस होंगे, कामयाब होंगे. कीमोसिंथेटिक बैक्टीरिया का एक और सिग्निफिकेंस ये है कि बाय ऑक्सीडाइजिंग द सबस्ट्रेट दे हेल्प इन द रिसाइकलिंग मींस एटमॉस्फेयर में या सॉइल में वापस से इनऑर्गेनिक एलिमेंट को ट्रांसफर कर देना. तो रिसाइकलिंग ऑफ नाइट्रोजन, फास्फोरस, recycling of iron and sulfur. These inorganic elements are replenished into the soil by the activity of chemosynthetic autotrophic bacteria. ये इनका मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन हो गया. अब कुछ हेट्रोट्रॉफिक बैक्टीरिया हैं, ये बहुत वाइड वेराइटी में पाए जाते हैं. मोस्ट अबंडेंट बैक्टीरिया आर द हेट्रोट्रॉफिक बैक्टीरिया. Trophic bacteria. These bacteria are commonly known as decomposers. Some of the heterotrophic bacteria are also used by human for production of different useful component. For example, formation of curd from milk by using of lactic acid bacteria. Lactic acid bacteria is again heterotrophic bacteria. Then for production of different type of antibiotics, for nitrogen fixation in the leguminous plant. Nitrogen fixation in leguminous plant is also performed by heterotrophic bacteria. कुछ heterotrophic bacteria ऐसे भी हैं जो harmful diseases cause करते हैं. Humans को, animals को, pets को, यानी जो बिल्ली या डॉग हम लोग पालते हैं, और इवन कुछ क्रॉप प्लांट ऐसे हैं जिनको बैक्टीरिया से डिसीज हो जाता है, इन्फेक्शन हो जाता है. तो दीज आर द हार्मफुल बैक्टीरिया. हेट्रोट्रॉफिक में अलग अलग कैटेगरीज हैं. हेट्रोट्रॉफिक बैक्टीरिया जो हार्मफुल हैं, कुछ कॉमन डिसीजेस कॉज करते हैं, जैसा कि टाइफाइड, साल्मोनेला टाइफाइम्यूरियम बैक्टीरिया से होगा. कोलेरा डिसीज इज आल्सो कॉज्ड बाय सम ऑफ द हेट्रोट्रॉफिक बैक्टीरिया. देन टिटेनस and the citrus canker. So these are the diseases caused by the heterotrophic bacteria. Now heterotrophic bacteria, eubacteria, archaebacteria, any kind of bacteria can perform two type of reproduction. So here we are discussing about the reproduction in bacteria, and the two common type of reproduction are, first is binary fission, in which the parental bacteria get divided into two equal sized daughter bacteria, and prior to the binary fission circular DNA already get replicated by the activity of mesosome. Mesosome is the infolding of the plasma membrane. Second type of reproduction in the bacteria are the sexual reproduction, and sexual reproduction is performed by formation of conjugation tube. There are two bacteria, male and female. Male bacteria replicate its DNA before performing the sexual reproduction, and the duplicate DNA, replicated DNA, act as a male gamete. Female bacteria, when comes near the male bacteria, in between them a common bridge is formed which is called as conjugation tube. Through that conjugation tube, the duplicated DNA from the male bacteria rolls and move in the female bacteria. It look like the male gamete is transferred in the female gamete. It is supposed to be sexual type of reproduction. One of the cell-less bacteria and smallest ever living cell is called as mycoplasma. Of course, mycoplasma is a bacteria, but exceptionally it is without cell wall. So you can say that Mycoplasma is a bacteria without cell wall. It is the smallest living cell in the world, and it also can cause the severe diseases in the human being, and Mycoplasma can survive even in absence of oxygen. Mycoplasma can act as a anaerobic bacteria. Okay, so this is all about the kingdom Monera. Now in next lecture we are studying about the second kingdom, third, fourth, and frequently so on. Thank you.